It's titled the Kentucky Lake Long-Term Monitoring Program, and it was set up in 1988 by Dr. Dick Marzoff. He was the one who sort of conceptualized the entire cruise, and it's evolved over time, but generally the exact same techniques, the exact same samples have been taken since 1988. This is a huge effort, and it takes a lot of energy and people to do this. The idea is to quantify major reservoir phenomena, the physical patterns that occur in the reservoir. We conduct the cruise every 16 days, and that's when Landsat satellite flies over our region. We coordinate those two efforts. We use the techniques that are the gold standard to measure things that limnologists or aquatic researchers would need to understand about the system. So things like primary productivity, algae, zooplankton, and then also things like nutrients and dissolved ions, metals, things like that. We collect those samples and process them at Hancock. And obviously we just celebrated our 700th cruise. And so 700 times, 703 now, we've been out on the lake. This provides great examples of real research that goes on right here in their backyards, and we can show them patterns that we would not be able to without this sort of information. The fact that we've had lots of support from Murray State to keep this going, it isn't without financial support and just the fact that there's people here and there's staff that are dedicated to keep this going.